Hi, I'm Pidge from HomCo Lumber Hardware. I work in the cut counter, but today I am going to be talking about planting in Flagstaff. One of the challenges of planting in Flagstaff is we have a very unique climate, unique elevation. With that comes a lot of challenges for planting. One of the main challenges is going to be our UV during the day is very high. We have a lot of sunlight, and during the night we have colder nights, which comes with frost. One of those useful tools that we can utilize to help with the sun protection is going to be our shade cloth. Right here, you can pick this up from the cut counter where they will cut it for you. It will help protect your plants from the light during the day and frost during the night. In Flagstaff, we have a shorter growing season, which means that soil prep is essential. A lot of the soil in Flagstaff is actually volcanic rock, which doesn't promote a lot of nutrients. It drains quickly and the soil doesn't retain much nutrients. One thing we have from Happy Frog over here at HomCo is going to be the all-purpose Happy Frog fertilizer. It helps maintain root growth, it helps develop water retention, and it is useful for any type of planting. Next, we have the Fox Farm plant food, which will help in hand with the fertilizer to stimulate growth from your plants. This helps promote bud growth and retains a lot more fruit and blooms during the season. With Flagstaff's soil being mostly volcanic, what we recommend is buying soil to use in your raised garden bed or in your potted plants at home. Right here we have Fox Farm's potting soil, which is the Ocean Forest blend, and over here we have the Black and Gold garden soil to use in raised garden beds. The Ocean Forest blend is a light aerated texture, and both of these soils are ready to use straight out of the bag, no prep necessary. Another necessity for planting in Flagstaff would be our planters. We have various sizes. These can be utilized indoors and outdoors if you want to maximize your space. For instance, I live in an apartment complex which only has a balcony. These planters are really helpful for moving pots inside to outside depending on the climate and depending on my animals. For watering, we recommend a watering can. This is just one of the many options that we have, but this 2-gallon watering can can maximize your time in the garden. You can water everything with only one trip instead of going back and forth for water. One other useful tool we recommend for gardening would be this lawn and garden sprayer. This can be used for either fertilizers or anti-pesticides to spray your whole garden in one go. If you have a large garden, it's very useful for going very quickly. One other thing we recommend for your outside garden would be this weed barrier. It eliminates the need for chemical sprays while also retaining water in the soil. From my own personal experience, using these weed barriers might take a little extra time at the start, but it saves you so much energy in the long run. Another thing we have at HomCo is this Flagstaff planting guide. This is a very useful tool for anyone who wants to plant in Flagstaff and has no clue about the climate or the weather. On the front of this guide, we have common planting, companions, seed to harvest days, water and sun needs, and then on the back, we have a year-round table which actually goes over how long and when you should start planting. This is just one of the many things that we carry here in store to help you with all of your planting needs. Feel free to stop on by and talk to an expert in one of our departments. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the store soon.